In this video I'm going to show you how to show battery percentage on your iPhone. That's very simple and easy, so let's begin. And first you need to go to the screen, you need to place the percentage battery widget and just tap and hold on the free space of the screen to edit this screen, and then you need to tap on this plus icon at the top left, and we need to select the battery widget. Here it is, and then we can swipe to the left or to the right to select the exact type of the widget. I will select this one and tap on the bottom add widget, and here I see the widget was appeared on the screen, and I can tap and hold them to replace in any place I want. Let it be right here, and then when I'm finished editing this screen, I just tap on this done button. I hope it helps you, and before you go, please like and subscribe.